Alright, so here we are, another episode of installing. Not water temperature, but oil temperature. I already had the sensor installed. You can see the green wire going into the sensor. Now it's just a matter of getting that shit through, which is the most annoying part, because I gotta go through that firewall back there somewhere. I don't know if you guys can see it. So first things first, I just took off all these little small clips. I'm gonna take this thing off. Oh, I think I missed a clip right here. I'm gonna take that clip off. Don't ask why I'm using this. Couldn't find my screwdriver. Not bothered to see, look for it. There's that. I feel like I missed another one. Nope, didn't. Alright, that was easy. Now we gotta get through that. Let's see. This shit goes through. It's just pretty long. I eventually had to extend the wires a little bit because the original harness is a little too short. Last time I did this, I cut myself up. I already had cut myself up yesterday doing something else. Alright. That's a lot better. Damn, you see how tight that spot is? Now I gotta run these two wires through that. Oh, now I need, for real, I do need a screwdriver now. Really? This is like the most unprofessional installation ever. It's not gonna be easy. I think I got it in. I think I did. Let me push that shit in. I hope I don't rip the wires apart. Don't mind my interior. My interior is all ugly. Gotta fix that shit, but I ain't got time for that. Yes, that is it. Now I just gotta get to it. I need to get rid of the handbrake. Drop this thing. Oh, that was easy. Took it. Handbrake's off. Where the hell is that firewall? I believe I gotta pull it. I should take this thing off. I'm gonna need to take it off anyways. Look how easy that thing goes off. Well, that was easy. There you go, I got it. I pulled it. Oh, man, oh man. Now I gotta zip tie the shit out of this. Jack the car up. Let's hope it's still in the same spot. Let's hope I don't drop this thing on my face. Zip tie's coming in further away. Oh shit. Okay, so the same way I ran these wires, I got that shit. Okay, this shit's tight. That shit's tight. Now I just gotta make sure that this doesn't hit anywhere. Ain't nothing better than zip ties. I'll tell you that. Look at that shit. You serious, dog? I still gotta pull it all the way in. There you go. I got this down. This is hella long. Okay, let's take this off. Oh, very nice. Well, now you gotta run a fuse tap somewhere. Obviously a fuse that's not that important. And I gotta ground that shit. Get the fuse tap first. Oh, seriously? Okay. Let's find out what fuse I should go for. Okay. Airbag fuse, that sounds like a smart one. I think I'm just gonna go for blower, which is fuse number 15. So that's our fuse puller. We're gonna need a 15 amp fuse. Let's see what amperes does this fuse need. So we need red 12 volts to the ignition switch. 5 amp fuse. So we gotta get a 5 amp fuse. There is no 5 amp fuse. What happens if I put 10 amps? I don't think anything's gonna happen. bullshit. Man. There you go. I told you. Clearly, this fuse does not fit the same way over here. So that's when my 15 amp fuse that went missing. Oh, fuck, did I put that shit? Pull out another one. Like, it ain't nothing. Now we gotta put that shit in there, right? Just like that, and then crimp that shit. Right there. Right, now we put that shit back in. There you go. Okay, perfect. Now we gotta run this negative wire in here. Let's see if that shit works. Wish me luck, dude. Wish me luck. Oh, fuck. Got that shit. Put that shit inside. Yeah, boy. That shit works. Maybe it doesn't. It says sensor. Alright, so here the gauge kept telling me sensor or SENS, and that means it probably wasn't connected to the sensor or something along the line went wrong. In this case, when I extended the wires, I probably misplaced or didn't tighten it so good, the wires together, especially right here as you can see in the crimp. So what I had to do is I had to cut the wires again, splice them and get the connector, put the wires in. All this while the gauge was right next to me, as you can tell, just so I can see that I made this right and I don't have to go over again and do all of this again. It's not fun. It was an easy process, but it just sometimes, you know, things go wrong. So anyways, I did, however, finally figured it out. I put everything back together, tested it out, it worked. I tried moving the wire a couple times, you know, in case it does move with the road, and nothing went wrong. So that's when I finally moved and settled it on the dash.
2,000 years later.
So, got that stuff hooked up. There's my oil pressure gauge. Gotta let it focus, oil pressure and water temperature, but it's not really water temperature. You gotta change the bezel. That's how you say it. To oil temp. But I ain't trying to spend more cash on that shit. That'll do. I know what it says, what it is. Anyways, I ended up just taking that thing off right here, snapping the wires in from over there, sliding it up. I don't have a mount for it, so I kind of just like hooked it on in there. It's pretty good. It don't move. It's good. It's good. You know, kind of if I want to sideways, you know, kind of go a little wild out, but nah, I don't like that shit. So I'm gonna keep that shit straight. You already know. That's how it be. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit you up on the next install.